This video from Sharp Help, we're taking a look at how you can apply discount to a sales transaction on the XEA217 register. Now in my previous video I've shown you how to set up the discount buttons. So on this machine my percentage buttons are preset with discount amounts, so the operation of the discount buttons will vary depending on exactly how you've had them programmed. So if this video doesn't work for you, check out the video link that will be appearing at the end of this one, which shows you how I've set my buttons up, and then you can either set your discounts up the same or set them up slightly differently, but it will then make sense as to how the button should work. So 217 flat keyboard machine, so all my products are programmed in. If I ring through a sale of £30, let's make it easy for ourselves. Now I've got this button set to be 10% discount off the whole transaction, so it won't work until I've pressed subtotal. So if I try and ring 10% now, it'll come with an error message, which is fine. Because I press subtotal because I'm at the end of my sale, and then now I can enter the percentage discount. So if the button was set to open, so if you hadn't already programmed it, you would now type in your percentage amount. So I'll demonstrate that as well. So 20% for example, hit your button there and it will knock 20% off the sales transaction. You'll see, because I've pre-programmed it, it's got members 20% discount on there, and then also on my end of day report it'll appear as that, so it just helps it makes it easier when you're looking at your report what discounts have occurred. If I ring that sale through again, so if I get it to £30, just make it easy for myself, subtotal, because the button was preset, I can apply my standard 10% discount to the transaction. If you don't want the ability to do what I've done there, so I have it set to 10%, and then I've also enabled an override to allow me to take 20% off. If you don't want your machine to work like that, you can put a halo in to stop people ringing through random discount amounts, and again that will be illustrated in the programming video coming up at the end of this one. So that's how to use the %1 button. My button's set to not give a discount off an individual item, but if you wanted to give a discount off an individual item, you would simply press your button, then the discount button, or enter in the amount and then the discount button, depending on how it's programmed. But mine, I've taken that function off, so I can't do it. I'll just show you the other discount buttons on the machine and how they work. You've got, if we press subtotal again, in function menu you've got discount 2, which I've programmed to be discount, and I've got a preset rate in there of £12. So when you press it, if you've got it pre-programmed, it comes up with 12 there. If you haven't got it pre-programmed, you can now type in the rate numerically. You don't have to put in all the digits, so if it's 20% you'd simply type in 20, and then either way you press TLNS to confirm, and that will then take that discount button off. So it works in the same way, it's just hidden away under that function menu. So you enter your item, subtotal, function menu, down to discount, which might say discount 2 on your machine if you've not programmed it, enter the rate, and then hit TLNS. The other discount button on the machine is a -1 here. This is just a value amount rather than a percentage amount. So I've pre-programmed mine to be £1, I think. Is that correct? Yes, I've set it to be £1, but you can override that, I believe, if you haven't programmed it. Yeah, I've programmed mine to not allow an override, but if you haven't programmed it, you could then use this button to give a set discount off the sale you're currently ringing through. Okay, so I hope that's made sense and been helpful. The video appearing now on screen, one of them will be how to program your discount button, so it might be worth checking that out, and then you'll have a look at how the different ways you can set the button up, because they can work in different ways. You've got a bit of flexibility with how you set them up. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.